Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with another unboxing video, and this time it's BLU's brand new G9 phone. So this is their new mid-tier offering, and it has an introductory price for limited time supply on Amazon for $129. So once that's gone, the regular MSRP will be $179. So this is when you want to pick up as soon as possible. The launch is today on May 22nd. It's got a 6.3-inch HD Plus display at 720 by 1520 resolution at 270 pixels per inch. It has a premium metallic finish. It has the MediaTek Helio P22 processor clocked at 2 GHz. It has 64 gigabytes of internal storage along with 4 gigabytes of memory, and you can expand the storage up to 128 gigabytes with an SD card. It has a dual camera setup on the back with the 52 megapixel super zoom feature. It has a 13 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint sensor, LTE capable, dual SIM, 4000 milliamp battery with quick charge, and Android 9.0 Pie. So pretty much everything you could ask for in a budget level phone, especially the mid-tier offering with the P22 processor. So whenever you open up the box, it has this plastic wrapping over it, which has a little quick rundown of the specs. I'm just going to take it out of that. Now, the first thing that really caught my eye with this box, with this phone, was the color. This brand new blue color that they have is just simply gorgeous. Now, I have other new phones that have these blue colors, like Samsung likes to make a blue phone, and then I have the new OnePlus 7 Plus Pro, and it's got a blue color. But this one right here, this metallic finish design that they have, really I think takes the cake. I don't think I've seen a phone that looks this good at this price point. So job well done with the aesthetics. It's got the teardrop cutout, so it doesn't have a full notch. It does have the 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front. It's capable of facial recognition. It doesn't have a dedicated IR sensor, but it'll scan your face for biometrics. The buttons are nice and responsive. There's no assistant button. There's no crazy buttons on the left-hand side. And let's go ahead and take this plastic film off so you can get a better look at the back of the phone. Now, they included this new animation whenever the phone starts up. It starts up playing this new blue sound, and then if you have it for pin unlock, it'll do it again, and then when you turn the phone off, it'll do it. So that does get a little old. I wish there were some way you could disable it, but it's a nice animation. So you've got a single firing speaker on the bottom, along with your USB-C connector and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is par for the course with BLU. Thankfully, they still have the headphone jack. I think that if you don't have wireless charging, it's really important to still have that. The screen is nice, and overall, it's very much a stock Android experience. They haven't really skinned anything on there, so it runs smooth. The Android 9.0 Pie is nice, and it works really well with this new BLU G9 phone. I'm going to turn the brightness down so it doesn't mess up the screen there. So let's see what else is in the rest of the box. So they got the new USB-C power cable. Now they did something different this time. It's kind of like a braided nylon, but then it has a plastic covering over it, so you don't have to worry about messing up this cable. And it's not a short cable, so that's nice. I really can't stand it whenever you have phone companies and they give you like the shortest cable known to man. So this whole kind of braided nylon look with the plastic cover over it, nice job there. You've got the quick charge power brick, which is capable of 5 volts, 2 amps, so that'll get you back in business. I believe it takes about 2.5 hours to recharge the phone completely, but it'll get you back in the game with 4000 milliamps. It's got a new set of earbuds that come with it. They look different than before, kind of more like the EarPod look, but I think that's a pretty nice touch they've got there. There's a silica gel underneath that. There's the documentation that goes along with it, and BLU wouldn't be BLU if they didn't give you a case to go along with it. There's a SIM ejector tool. So you have this clear TPU case to put on your phone straight out of the box to keep it protected. The phone does have a film style screen protector already on it, so you don't have to worry about scratching the screen up, but they do go ahead and include a glass screen protector as well. So you get a tempered glass screen protector. I did make an installation video, so if you have any questions or concerns about how to put it on, you can watch that, and they even throw in a little blue sticker if you want to decorate your stuff with some BLU swag. So that's all I've got on my unboxing video of the BLU G9. It's a solid phone, especially at the introductory limited time supply price of $129. At regular $179, it's still a very competitive phone. a solid mid-tier offering from BLU, and it just looks gorgeous. They've done a real number with this phone, and I think you're gonna like it. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.